In this scorching afternoon heat, Harias was selling sugarcane juice because of the heat. A crowd had gathered to drink his juice. Red sweets, Harias kept serving juice with a smile.
Bring it on, brother. In this heat, a cold glass of sugarcane juice brings life back into the body.
As the crowd thins out, Haria started cleaning the juice machines while moving a piece of sugarcane stalks inside the machines. Suddenly turns on. Hans hands gets sugar cards in the machines. He screams in pain. People rush forward
Oh
to
God! Someone
help
help!
him.
Someone help! His hand is stuck in the machine! Hey, be quick! Turn off the machine!
By the time someone shuts the machines off, Haria's head is crushed due to heavy bleeding. He falls unconscious. People rush him to the hospitals.
We are sorry. We can't save the hand. We'll have to cut it off, or the infection could spread and become life threatening. Oh God, please save Hariya Bhaiya. Doctor, please do whatever is right.
The doctors unbotted Haria's hands when he regains consciousness and sees his hands missing. He started crying bitterly.
What has happened to me? What will I do now? How will my family survive? I'll just be a burden now. Oh God, it would have been better if I had died. Don't cry, Hariya. What will crying solve? Think about your family. How will they feel when they hear this? Just face this, Hariya. Be strong. Everything will be okay.
Riaz feels broken and at his home there are his wife Mina's his old mothers and two children are waiting just then Lalita comes running.
Meena Bhabhi, Hariya Bhaiya's hand got caught in the machine and had to be cut off. He's coming home now with the others. I could not believe my eyes when I saw him.
Hearing this, it feels like the ground slipped away from under their feet. Just then, Harias returns home with one hand.
What happened? Oh God, what have you done? Oh, my poor child. Oh God, you should have taken my hand instead, not done this to my son.
Now, what is done is done. There is no point in blaming God now. Maybe it's the result of my own bad deeds. It's all destiny, Mother.
Hariya now just sits quietly at home. He hears juice vendors in the streets and he remembers his old days. He wipes his tears with his own hands. One hand days pass like this and the kitchen runs out of food.
Maji, I couldn't cook any vegetable today. We didn't have any money left. We'll have to manage with this only. It's okay, Bahu. We will fill our stomachs with this. But don't give only roti and salt to Hariya. He will get sad again. There is no vegetable in the house and he will start blaming himself for this. Maji, yesterday I borrowed some greens from Kaki. But how can I ask for vegetables every day?
To hide the situations from Hariya, Minas borrows a little vegetables from the neighbors. She serves the foods to Hariya.
I can't borrow vegetables every day like this. From tomorrow, I'll go out to work myself and take care of our home.
Next day, Minas goes to work in the fields. The sun is right overhead, but she works with full dedication. In one corner of the fields, fresh vegetables
If I
are
take some
growing.
vegetables home, then at least there will be sabzi to go with the roti for the kids and him.
Meena goes to the gardens and picks some bright red tomatoes. She gathers them in her pallus and brings them home. By evening, everyone
Mother,
is
why did
waiting
you take
hungry.
so long? We are hungry since so long.
Oh kids, look what I brought. Now I'll cook a nice sabzi and we will eat together happily. Sabzi is fine, but did you bring flour for rotis? Oh no, the flour ran out yesterday. Now what we do, Maji? Where will we get flour from?
Meena shakes the containers, but not even enough flowers for one roti comes out. There she notices some leftovers wheat husk. She quickly started making rotis from the husk. She brings the husk rotis and tomato sabzis outside.
Look, food is ready. Come, kids, sit with Baba and eat.
When Harias tasted the rotis made from hers, she realized there is nothing left in the kitchen. Just the farmers arrived and
Do
started
you feel
cooking
shame or not?
But what did I do?
I gave you this job out of pity for your husband, and you went and stole vegetables from my garden? If things were so bad, you could have just asked me. Does stealing feel right to you? Meena, is it true? Did you really steal?
No, I just took 4 tomatoes to make some curry.
Oh, so this curry is made from those stolen tomatoes? Give it to me. Shameless people.
The owners grabs the curries and walks away. There is no flowers to make rotis and 2 vegetables left at home that night. Children somehow sleeps after eating flat breads made from husk, but the next day some problems arise. The days pass and there is nothing left to eat at home.
Meena, I can't even feed my own family. Sometimes I feel it's better to die than live like this.
Don't say that. God will surely show us a way.
There is not even a single bite of food at home. It's become so hard to arrange even one meal a day.
Don't worry. Kaki was talking about some work. I'll go meet her right now.
After Mina's leaves, Harias goes out for a walk.
Oh, look, Bauji. Harya is out roaming happily again. Looks like he'll spend his whole life living on his wife. Yesterday, the farm owner came and fired Meena. She was stealing vegetables from his field. Oh, dear Lord. What times have come? The wife has turned to stealing. If Harya wants, he can still work with one hand.
Harias hears the woman talking with a heavy heart. He slowly walks back home. He sits quietly in a corner. Meena sees the sadness on his face.
Why are you sitting so quietly?
Meena, people are talking. They say I'm now dependent on you. And I have become useless. I feel shame on myself.
Let people say what they want. We have to live our life. Who will understand the pain you are going through?
But Meena, I can't bear it anymore. I'll do something. Even with one hand, I'll find work. No matter how small it is, but I won't let us beg.
Yes, why not? How about running the juice shop again? We will work together and we'll work hard. I will extract the juice and you handle the customers.
But will I be able to do it?
You can do anything. You just need a little courage.
The next day, Meena cleans the sugarcane machines and brings sugarcanes on credit. There, Harias and Meena's reopens the juice stalls.
Oh, Harya brother. So you started your shop again. But how will you operate it?
With these 2 hands, Bhola Bhaiya, you just wait and watch.
Meena extracts juice from the machines and Hariya serves it to the customers with one hand. Together they run the stalls well and everyone praises the couple's courage.
Look, all the sugarcane is finished and we have made good money too. Now, let's first pay off the credit and then go home for a hearty meal.
Today, this was only possible because of you, Meena.
Meena and Harias buy flowers and vegetables with the remaining monies. They Meena goes home and cooks foods.
Come on everyone, come quickly. See, I have made hot rotis and potato pea curry. Oh wow, after so many days we'll finally eat roti and sabzi.
Everyone eats happily and sleeps peacefully. After that, their life slowly returns to normal again.